Introducing Metrops, an all in one AI integrated platform for all of your metro managing needs. With a smart overview that displays the entire details of your coach, how many are service ready, how many need maintenance, and how many stay on standby, we provide all of the solutions for all of your problems. Going to menu by menu results, we look at the fitness certificate management, where we check the validity of every single fitness certificate like signaling, telecom, electrical, rolling stock, etc., and display which ones are pending, valid, and expired. So you know which trains to focus on. Maintenance and job management. Scheduling maintenance from time to time to avoid any delays is very, very important. And at Metrops, we take that very seriously. There's priority distribution for all of the maintenance required, along with detailed accounts and work orders of job cards that display which exact work needs to be done on which train. Moving on to cleaning slots. Cleaning slots help you find a way to schedule the trains for cleaning from time to time. You can auto assign cleaning, you can refresh them, you can also assign priority to the trains that need more assistance. You can also switch between light and dark mode for easy eye comfort. Moving on to mileage balancing and component wear. It's important to switch out the train coaches every once in a while so that all of them get an equal amount of component usage. Here you get to see which components are used more on which train and which ones need maintenance and which ones do not, all in a compact, well displayed format. Depot pathfinding and stabling optimization. An easier way for you to know which train should be parked where, along with a very handy and interactive stabling map, so that you can park your trains exactly where they're needed while taking into consideration their shunting time. Finally, train contract scheduling. There are revenue and branding requirements for every single coach, and we here at Metrops take care of that for you. We provide a smart, optimized plan to make sure that all contracts reach their required hour need. More about our machine learning model that we use to give you these detailed insights. We use LSTM models along with random forest algorithm to display the best and most accurate results to you. Additionally, we have priority management so you can know which trains require the most amount of your attention. We also provide scenario analysis, which helps you visualize just how bad the damage would be if for some reason you are unable to carry out recommended maintenance. So you can estimate which job needs your utmost attention according to the priority. Additionally, we provide a very handy spare parts inventory management system. Here, you can check which spare parts are available and which ones need to be stocked up when we recommend a certain maintenance to you. Additionally, when maintenance is recommended, the exact part needed will also be displayed in this exact menu. Thank you for choosing Metrops, and we wish you a safe journey ahead.